girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far. Go, get it, girl, get it, girl, get it, girl. Pretty girl, I don't buy drinks at the bar. City girl, yeah, they rock with me, I'm a star. Get it, girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far. Get it, girl, get it, girl.
What's up, Bam World? It's Bam. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel and subscribe to join our world. And if you're not, welcome back. And I'm back with another video. I'm gonna do a styling tutorial for you guys with some curls, and I'm just showing y'all the wig that I dyed. And this dyeing tutorial for this wig is not up on my channel yet, but it will be soon after I post this styling tutorial. So I'm now taking my argan oil and I'm spraying it on the section that I parted off and just combing that through. And for the tool that I'm using to curl my hair, I originally wanted to use this curling barrel tool. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. This is the tool that I wanted to use to curl my hair, but as soon as I curl my hair with that, like I'm doing right now, this piece right here, as soon as I unraveled the curl from the iron, the curl was not giving, so I had to switch my tool to a curling one, and that's what I used to curl my hair. Look at this curl. I mean, it just looks so dead. No, it was not giving. So I switched my whole tool to a curling one, and this is how my curling one looks. So that's what I'll be using. So I'm putting some hairspray on my section that I'm gonna be curling, and I'm gonna start curling my hair. I'm starting to curl my hair, and as y'all can see, I took a medium piece of a section and I parted it at a 90-degree angle, and I'm gonna tell y'all why to do that later on in the video. So I curl my hair and I'm gonna leave it on for 1 minute. I know it don't seem like 1 minute in this video because I made it shorter for you guys, because who's finna stand there for 1 minute? Y'all not finna watch that. So I left the wand on for 1 minute and then I unraveled it, and this is how it came out. The waves are more tighter and prettier, and it's giving. So now I'm spraying hold and spray on the curl that I just did, and make sure y'all spray hold and spray before y'all curl the hair and after the curl is done, just to make sure your curls are intact and they do not fall. So here's me curling my second piece now, and I'm basically just gonna do the same thing for this whole entire wig. I'm just gonna curl it the same way, and make sure when y'all curling, y'all curl under. Y'all curl under, don't curl any other way. Curl under so your curls can come out exactly like this. So now I'm on another row and I'm doing the same process. I'm spraying my oil on my section, and I'm gonna start to curl my hair. Curl under the hair, y'all. If y'all want these bomb Hollywood curls, make sure y'all curl under the hair. And when you take it out, when you unravel the curl, this is a trick I like to do. Hold on. So when I unravel my curl, I like to pull on the curl like this, and I also like to shake it like this, and this will give your curls so much more volume, y'all. So y'all want to do this step. If y'all doing Hollywood curls, y'all want to do this step because your hair is gonna look so voluminous at the end. So that's just a little tip and trick for y'all. So I think I explained how to do these Hollywood curls good enough for you guys. So I think I'm gonna go and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video, let y'all visualize and chill out and watch the tutorial. And if I have anything else to say, then I will come back and explain it to you guys. But as of now, enjoy the rest of the video. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will answer all of y'all questions. So y'all noticed that I brought my old intro song back, the song that y'all heard in the beginning of the video before this video started.
Get it, girl. Pretty girl, I don't buy drinks, bring a bar. City girl, let it rock with me, I'm a star.
That song, because a lot of y'all have been begging me to bring that song back. So you know what, I mess with y'all heavy, so it's gonna come back to my channel. I'm gonna have both intros, that intro and the Juice WRLD intro, so I'm gonna flip-flop between those two. But yes, the song is back, y'all. I hope y'all are happy. I like to make y'all happy, so period. Okay, that's all I had to say. So I came back to say this, y'all. This is why I part my section at a 90-degree angle. You see how I parted it like slantedly and not straight up and down? After I finish curling this hair, then I will explain why you do that. So you want to part your sections at a 90-degree angle so your curls can fall at a 90-degree angle like this. You see how the curl is slanted a little bit? That's how you want your curls to look when you're doing Hollywood curls, so it can give it more of a full dramatic look. So that's why you want to part each section like at an angle. So that's another tip and trick for y'all. So now I'm at the front of the wig, and you basically want to do the same thing. You want to part your sections at a 90-degree angle like I'm doing here, and you want to curl underneath the hair. So that's basically what you're going to be doing for the front section too. So I'm going to come back once I'm done. So I don't like leaving my curls separated like this. So what I like to do is take a comb and basically comb the curls together so I can give it like a more clean look basically. So that's what you want to do, because you don't want to leave your curls separated. I do not like when people do that. That looks so, I don't know, it just don't look right to me. So I like to comb my curls together. So now I'm on my last section, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing like I did before. And before y'all curl your hair, do not forget to put holding spray, and then after the curl is done, spray your holding spray on your hair. Y'all see my curls haven't failed yet. They're nice and intact, baby. So make sure y'all don't forget to spray y'all holding spray on your hair. the finished look, y'all, and these curls are so bomb. Like, it's giving Hollywood. Like, I'm a superstar, like, period. You can't touch me, period.
You can't sit with us!
So this is the finished look, and that's basically it. Like, this is the end of the video. At the end, I'm gonna show y'all pictures of how the curls look and everything. I mean, y'all see how the curls look, but y'all know I like to be extra, so I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. And this is basically the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to join our world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And comment down below some other tutorials, styling tutorials you guys want me to do, and I will do it for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
No, no, not at all. None of you bitches compare. Nah, try this shit, baby, I dare. Yeah, you gon' be sweating your hair.